Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to help you connect your OANDA account to TradingView. You're going to be on your OANDA platform, click start trading, fill in the application. I've already applied for my demo account. I can now integrate it with the OANDA charts, TradingView charts or Metaphor. Okay, for this video we are going to use TradingView and I'm going to open my TradingView account and I'm going to go to my home screen and then expand the charts. Okay. So our next step, we're going to expand the trading panel to look for the OANDA broker amongst the list of other brokers as well. So I'm going to find OANDA. Okay, here it is at the top. Now I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on my demo, accept these terms and conditions, and I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to have this page, and then once I click on allow, my OANDA account is now connected to TradingView. I hope this was helpful.